Alright people, after the fantastic response to the first three parts of Bollywood Hungama 2011 one-on-one, January to September, we are back with the finale, October to December. Hope you enjoy it. There have been speculations about Sajid Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez's relationship. Let's find out what Sajid has to say about it.
मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बता देता हूँ कि मैं मर्द आदमी हूँ जी। मैं जिंदगी में कभी वो काम नहीं करूँगा जिससे किसी और की बदनामी हो जो मेरे साथ है, और एक बार अगर किसी का हाथ पकड़ लूँगा तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं, ये भी बोल सकता हूँ मैं आपको। दूसरी बात मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ सर कि मैं कभी अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ना आज बात करूँगा ना आगे जाके बात करूँगा। जब शादी करूँगा तो भी अपने सारे मीडिया के दोस्तों को बुलाऊंगा, लेकिन शादी के बाद भी मैं अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में नहीं बात करूँगा। स्पेकुलेशन में आपको जो स्पेकुलेट करना है आप कीजिए, बिल्कुल। जहां मुझे अगर ऐसा लगा कि आपके स्पेकुलेशन अगर मैलिशियस है या किसी का रेपुटेशन खराब कर रहे हैं, तो फिर मैं आपके द्वार पे आ जाऊंगा आपका गला पकड़ने को।
This was one of the most watched interviews in 2011 on Bollywood Hungama with over 2.5 lakh video views. Vidya Balan gets dirty and yes, she talks about sex.
She is far beyond the body. The boldness, what you see in the promos is about the clothes and about the body. She wears her sexuality on her sleeve. But I really think the film is far beyond that. It's about the person. It's about her attitude. You know, which you see in the dialogues, which you see in her choices that she makes in the film. Everyone's talking about, oh, for you it must have been a lot to wear those clothes. And that's just one aspect of it. It's her personality, she was such a firebrand. I think she was way ahead of her time. You know, at a time when this could have been seen as exploitation. And yes, the way people shot her and things like that, it was very exploitative in a certain sense. But at the same time, I think the character in our film is someone who celebrated that, who said, I have the body. It's almost like saying, you like sex, I am sex. Take it or leave it.
Huge honor to talk to Dharmendra Saab. And yes, when he talks about Sholay, it's a sheer treat.
जो जी लगाया मैंने लगाया था, मौसी जी। वो जी लगाने से जो है एक्टर कॉमेडी में, आई लव कॉमेडी, उसमें जी लगाने से और मज़ा आ गया। तो मौसी जी आ रहा हूँ, वो बीच में जो दारू पी के आदमी फंबल करता है, वही मैंने कहा, अरे मैं तो वो धन्नो नहीं, मैं तो बसंती। वो एक्टर कैन प्ले डबल, अच्छा सीन मिल जाए, सिचुएशन अच्छी हो तो कॉमेडी में मैं तो फिर ड्रिबल करता हूँ, फिर कैसे फिर पासिंग मिले तो मैं गोल करता हूँ आराम से। कुछ उसमें एक पता नहीं जान थी इस पिक्चर में, हर किरदार एक खूबसूरत किरदार था।
A fan broke security cordon at the Ravan premiere in Dubai to get close to her favorite star. What does Shah Rukh Khan have to say about such overwhelming fans?
I find it very touching, very humbling, and I find it, I'm extremely grateful, you know, that I've been able to entertain people for the last 20 years, and I intend doing so for the next 30 years, if I can manage, you know. And I'm really humbled, and I feel a lot of love when this happens, and it keeps growing, and all around the world, and it also is a statement that our films are reaching far and wide now, and I want to dedicate my life trying to entertain people in different ways possible.
Rockstar may not be Imtiaz Ali's best work, but what is commendable is that Ali is open to criticism. We spoke to Imtiaz after the release of Rockstar, and he was grace personified.
A lot of people are saying that the first half is nice and the second half is, I don't know, slow, lamba. Basically, there is some discomfort. I mean, you know, what you've got to take is that there is some that nahi samajh mein aayi. And a huge number of people who are also saying that the first half, I was coming and going, but the second half really did it for me. The point being that the film is reaching out and engaging people. Some people have come out very strongly. Aaj I got a very funny message and he says that, पता नहीं किसने लिखा है, बहुत घटिया फिल्म है और आपको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री छोड़ देनी चाहिए और आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी, आपने रणबीर को वॉचमैन के कपड़े पहना दिए तो वो वॉचमैन ही लग रहा है, वो कोई रॉकस्टार नहीं लग रहा।
Jitendra Saab, at the peak of his career in 1980s, said that Amitabh Bachchan is 1 to 10, thus avoiding rivalry. We asked Jitendra Saab, what is it really meant.
No, whatever I stated, I must have meant it. I just don't want. There was nothing see, if there was to promote yourself or your films, which a lot of people are doing so much today, then I would have come for my releases at least. I never came to Bombay for my releases. So it was a different ball game altogether, each one to himself. And the number game was not very important.